Here's how to connect Stripe to WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have a payment plugin installed that supports Stripe, such as WooCommerce or a Stripe payment plugin. Next, go to the plugin's payment settings. If you're using WooCommerce, navigate to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the Payments tab. Find Stripe in the list of available payment methods and enable it. Then click Setup or Manage to open the Stripe configuration page. Now click the option to connect your Stripe account. You'll be redirected to Stripe, where you can log into your account and authorize the connection with your WordPress website. Once the connection is complete, you'll be redirected back to WordPress. Review the settings, choose the payment methods you want to accept, and make any additional adjustments if needed. After that, click Save Changes to apply the settings. To make sure everything is working correctly, visit your website and test the checkout process to confirm that Stripe payments are available and functioning properly. And that's how to connect Stripe to WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.